下午1點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。8號東北烈風或暴風信號喺中午12點40分發出，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺下午1點，颱風小犬集結喺香港天文台之東南偏南約90公里，即係北緯21.5度、東經114.4度附近，預料向西或西北偏西移動，靠近珠江口一帶。受小犬影響，本港離岸多處吹烈風，高地間中吹暴風。按照現時預測路徑，小犬會喺今晚最接近本港，喺香港天文台以南約70公里左右掠過。本港會逐漸由偏北風轉吹偏東風，原先被屏蔽嘅地方會變得當風。若小犬維持現時強度，其颶風區預料會喺今晚頗為接近香港南面海域，該區風力可能再進一步增強。天文台會視乎本港嘅風力變化，評估係咪需要改發更高熱帶氣旋警告信號。喺小犬相關嘅強雨帶正由東面接近本港，預料今明2日本港會有狂風大驟雨。喺過去1小時，大老山、橫瀾島及大美督分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時95、85及56公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時120、99及90公里。8號烈風或暴風信號防風措施報告，請盡快完成家中各項防風措施，將門窗鎖緊，若有橫閂應加上，將膠紙條貼喺當風嘅大玻璃窗上，萬一玻璃破裂，亦可以減少損傷。請盡快完成清除渠道嘅落葉同埋垃圾，請將車輛停放喺安全嘅地方，切勿喺屋內嘅當風窗戶附近站立，預早選定屋內一個安全地方，以防玻璃萬一破裂時可以躲避。受風暴潮影響，部分低洼地區可能出現嚴重淹浸或海水倒灌，市民應盡量避免進入可能受影響嘅低洼地區及遠離危險地方。海面有巨浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊及低洼地區，並停止所有水上活動。光管招牌嘅物主請截斷招牌嘅電源。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正嘅風暴消息。
1 o'clock in the afternoon, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal was issued at 12:40 in the afternoon. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At 1 p.m., Typhoon Koinu was centered about 90 km south-southeast of Hong Kong Observatory, which is near 21.5 degrees north, 114.4 degrees east, and is forecast to move west or west-northwest, edging closer to the Pearl River estuary. Under the influence of Koinu, gale winds are affecting many offshore places locally, with occasional force winds on high ground. According to the present forecast track, Koinu will be closest to Hong Kong tonight, skirting about 70 km south of the Hong Kong Observatory. Local wind direction will change from northerlies towards easterlies gradually. Places that have been sheltered before will become more exposed to high winds. If Koinu maintains its current intensity, its hurricane winds are expected to be rather close to the sea south of the territory tonight. Depending on the variation of wind strength locally, the observatory will assess the need for issuance of higher tropical cyclone warning signals. Intense rain bands associated with Koinu are approaching Hong Kong from the east. Heavy squally showers are expected today and tomorrow. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Wyvern Island, and Tai Mai Tuk were 95, 85, and 56 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 120, 99, and 90 km per hour respectively. As for precautionary announcements, with number 8 signal, complete all precautions in your home. Lock all windows and doors, insert reinforced shutters and gates if they are available. Adhesive tape fixed to large window panes in exposed positions will reduce damage and injury by broken glass. Drains should be cleared of leaves and rubbish as soon as possible. Park your car where it is safe. Do not stand near windows on the exposed side of your home. Make sure you have a safe place to shelter should windows be broken. Owing to storm surge, some low-lying areas may have severe flooding or backflow of seawater. You should avoid going to likely affected low-lying areas and stay away from dangerous places. Seas are high and there are swells. You are advised to stay away from the shoreline and low-lying areas and not to engage in water sports. Owners of neon signs should switch off the electricity supply to the signs. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on every hours of 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。